them away, but I want to get closer. Some adorable seagulls down here at Wildwood Park, Neck Road, part of Wildwood Creek. Beautiful August 4th, Tuesday evening at 8 o'clock. Praise the Lord. Senior seagull here. Hi, Seagull. How you doing tonight? Hmm? Oh, your beautiful wings. Beautiful. What are your friends' name, huh? Quack, 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 quack. Is this your evening goby break? Are you looking for gobies? You ever duck down and catch a goby? Praise the Lord. What time do you usually go to bed, Seagull? Tell Aunt Nancy. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes. You come down here every evening? Oh, you're beautiful. Yes. Ooh. Well, you have a good evening, Igor. Yes, you're a good boy, and you're a good watch bird, too. Yes. Okay, good night.